Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to print the sheet with the guidelines on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe and video. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to print the Excel sheet or sheet on your WPS spreadsheet with the guidelines. So here I'm just going to show how it's going to work. For an example, here I'm just going to insert some shapes here first. Okay, let me insert this and also insert other shapes. Okay, so let's me just going to insert the we're just going to print this Excel sheet with the guideline. So first of all, you just need to go to the page layout. Okay, so if you are having a print preview here, just click this. So you have the print preview, but here this doesn't have any guidelines. So I just need the guideline. So you can just click on this option to have the guideline on the sheet. Otherwise, you cannot turn on the guideline here itself. On the print layout, you just need to turn on the print guideline. That's it. So now just go to the print preview to have the guideline. You can just print with the guideline. This is how you just print the sheet with the guideline on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.